Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore a crucial aspect of programming in Python, converting parameters to strings before evaluation. If you're working on a project that involves passing variables or values as parameters to functions or methods, understanding this concept is vital. In this video, we'll delve into the importance of converting parameters to strings and provide a step-by-step explanation of how to achieve this in Python. As developers, we often find ourselves needing to manipulate data in various ways, including converting it between different formats. When working with functions or methods that expect string inputs, passing non-string parameters can lead to errors or unexpected behavior. That's where converting parameters to strings comes into play. By doing so, you ensure compatibility and avoid potential issues down the line. In this video, we'll cover the key concepts involved in converting parameters to strings in Python, breaking it down into simple, easy-to-understand parts. We'll also explore examples that demonstrate how this process works in real-world scenarios. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer looking to brush up on your skills, this video aims to provide valuable insights and practical knowledge. So let's dive into the nitty-gritty of converting parameters to strings in Python. The first thing to understand is that when you pass a parameter to a function or method, it retains its original data type unless explicitly converted. This means if you're passing an integer or float value, for instance, it won't automatically become a string. To convert a parameter to a string, you can use the built-in str function in Python. This function takes an object as an argument and returns its string representation. The process involves wrapping your parameter with the star function before passing it to the function or method that expects a string input. Here's how this works when you wrap your parameter with struct. Python attempts to convert it into a string format based on its original data type. For example, if your parameter is an integer, str will return the string representation of that number. This way, even if the original value was not a string, it gets converted and can be safely passed as a string argument. An analogy to help you understand this better: think of converting parameters to strings like translating different languages into one common language that everyone understands. Just as translation helps people communicate effectively across linguistic barriers, converting data types ensures smooth communication between different parts of your program. To summarize the key points from our discussion: 1. Converting parameters to strings is crucial when working with functions or methods that expect string input. 2. The str function in Python is used to convert objects into their string representation. 3. Wrapping your parameter with struct before passing it as an argument ensures compatibility and avoids potential errors. Remember, understanding how to convert parameters to strings can significantly enhance the reliability and efficiency of your code. It's a fundamental concept that every developer should grasp to write robust and maintainable programs. That concludes our discussion on converting parameters to strings in Python. We hope this video has provided you with a comprehensive understanding of why and how to convert parameters before evaluation. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Your engagement is what drives us to create more content that addresses your needs. If you found this video informative and helpful, consider liking it and subscribing to our channel for more insightful videos on programming topics. Well, your support means a lot to us. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.